Krishna, I have a flat which was purchased by me way before 2001. I want to sell it now. So can you please tell me how should I calculate the tax to be paid on sale, if any, and can I save on tax from this sale? I am a little worried. Hey Arjuna, don't worry, I am here to help you out. Since you have purchased your flat way before the year 2001, the cost of acquisition will be determined based on the fair market value, FMV, or the stamp duty value, SDV, as of 1st April 2001, whichever is lower. Got it. Now, as you know, there is an amendment made by the Finance Minister this year onwards. So listen carefully. As per the Finance Bill 2024, the long-term capital gains tax, LTCG, would be levied at 12.5% without indexation or at 20% if you want to avail of the indexation benefit. Moreover, you can avail tax exemption US 54 by purchasing a new residential property within a year before or 2 years after the sale date, provided you hold the new property at least for 3 years. Alternatively, you can invest the LTCG in specified bonds too. Investment limit in bonds is Rs 50 lakh with a lock-in period of 5 years. And before taking the final decision, do the calculation under both the regime, old as well as new. Hope now you got the clarity. Yes, of course. Thanks a lot, Krishna.